Okay, friends. So today we are going to have a look at one of the biggest fraud company of India, which is Videocon D2H. So we had just recharged our D2H connection recently, and I had recharged our D2H connection at around 1:30 in the afternoon, and we had paid around 300 rupees to Videocon D2H. And generally, within 5 to 10 minutes, the connection becomes live. But now if you want to see, you can just have a look at the timing. It is 16:49, so that is more than 3 to 4 hours now, and still the channels aren't live. So see, what I have done is I have just went to their Facebook page, and what I have written, just have a look at it. D2H is the biggest fraud company of India. Their customer representatives cut the phone abruptly without giving a resolution and talk rudely with the customers. They are the most hopeless, pathetic, unprofessional company. Their customer service is worst in the world. They are the biggest fraud company of India. Their customers, exactly, this is what they are. In fact, they are cheating on every single customer. Let me tell you, they are the biggest fraud company in the world. And if you feel that I am the only one who is saying like this, let me just walk you through this, okay? And I'm asking them for a refund of our money, because it is more than 3 to 4 hours and still we haven't still the channels aren't live. I have checked all the channels and none of the channels is live, okay? So we as a customer are paying money to them, and this is the kind of service that we are getting. So let me just show you what all the other people are commenting. So what I had done is I had actually went to Twitter and I had tweeted on their post. Okay, just to show you, just to give you an idea. Just a second. So what I had done is I had went to Twitter, and in fact my dad called their company 15 to 20 times, and I say 15 to 20 times, and every single time a new representative comes, okay, and every single time you have to tell them what exactly has happened. Okay, now you just see, this is the biggest fraud company. Their customer representative cut the phone abruptly. I in fact tagged the consumer court forum to to notify them of this shittiest D2H service of India. See, they're the most hopeless, pathetic, most unprofessional. They are fraudsters. And let me tell you, if you're going for Videocon D2H, they are truly pathetic. They are truly pathetic. If you don't believe me, or if you feel that this is a paid promotion kind of thing, let me just walk you through the other comments. Okay. So if you see, every single customer is having issues with them. This is not me. Okay, this is me. Now check out this pathetic customer service, to say the least, for the subscriber. In spite of repeated calls and complaint registration since last 5 days, no resolution till date. Okay, now this is just, now what they do is they just give this automatic replies. Their social media is the worst in the world. Their social media team is the worst in the world. Let me tell you that as well. And they don't care about their customers. Have some consideration. Now check out this another one. Team, have some consideration for customers. I made the unfortunate decision of recharging my D2H connection later of span more than 1 year. Okay, so I'm receiving promotional calls at least twice every day. I have so far blocked at least so let me tell you, pathetic. Okay, years again, pathetic service and customer service agents not able to watch any channel after lodging complaint. Take a service by will remove all my 4 connections from different. Okay, unable to see channels. So what they do is they just give this automatic, this Sumit guy, he just gives this automatic replies. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Or even if you go on their Twitter, now what they do is they just give these automatic replies. Apologies for the inconvenience. Apologies for the inconvenience. My dad tried 20 times. Tried calling them 20 times. Okay, and this is not the first time that I'm facing this issue. It is just that the issue has aggravated. Okay. So see, please don't make people fool. In this way, you are making yourself fool. Mention the real price tag. How irritating a service provider can be. D2H, I have tried call 4 times and without a proper answer, they are disconnecting the call. This is exactly what they are doing. I'm not exactly sure if the consumer court or any of the courts has been watching this, but let me tell you, this company doesn't give even 1% consideration to their customers. Okay. And if you feel that I am the only one, I just showed you 10 examples. Okay, I have tried to call them 4 times in the last 2 days, and without giving a proper response, they are disconnecting the call. I regret being a D2H customer. And let me tell you, I also regret being a D2H customer. Now, if I have to go to some other customer, I'll again have to purchase that D2H and their dish antenna and this, that thing. So this company is totally hopeless. Let me just read for you the another one. Has been out of service for the last 8 days. 5 reminders resulted in 5 different requests with multiple resolution dates. Still awaiting for that field person to visit. Okay, and again they will give that same thing that this has been escalated. Don't buy this product. I am just reading this within the last 2 days, and today is 31st of May, 2020. Okay, so just try to understand how hopeless this company is. The connection is down for more than a week. No person visit till date. Every day the customer assured to send a technician, but no one visit till now. I just can't tell you, like, this is the most hopeless. See, buy at your own risk. Okay, there is no site of installation, so buy at your own risk. Advance payment should be a share no. Register a complaint for, see, on 23rd of May. Have no communication or resolution. Several times calling customer care to resolve my problem, but no response from your side. Guys, I'm just reading this comment on this particular post, which is a very happy post. Okay, alag hi view. What they say is like, you know, they care for the customer, but they fucking don't care about their customer. Let me tell you this. They don't give a damn about what their customer does. They just have this good post, and let me tell you, if you just see their other comments, each and every comment is calling them a fraud, like, you know, whatever. You can just have a look at this. Let me just take you through more comments in case you feel that I was the only one who is facing this problem. See, I'm telling you, hi, don't buy this product. You get this? Now let me just post my reply over here, and you won't believe they are not giving a shit about their customers. So just don't buy this product. Okay, they are the biggest fraud company in the India, biggest fraud. And you can just understand my frustration, like why I'm so frustrated. I don't have words. Like, we as customers, in fact, we should be able to file complaints against these companies for doing frauds. This is literally doing frauds with the customer. You're taking their money, and what you're doing is you're not giving them the service. They're calling you 100 times a day, and what you're doing is, we will pass on your query, we will do this, we'll give you resolution. This keeps on happening, and the only answer that they give is, I'm sorry for the inconvenience you regret, expect to hear from you soon. Okay, now let me just give you an update. It's been 4:56, that is around, we are close to 5, and I have recharged my DTH at 1:30, and I have just switched on and switched off my set-top box to see if the channels are there, and still the channels aren't there. So I just can't tell you, like, in fact, before this also, I had written a post about Videocon D2H is the biggest fraud company in the world, but I had deleted that post just because I didn't want to, like, you know, do something. But if you just check their comments, see, after raising complaints like 20 times, your engineer tells me to buy a new connection. The connection is down for the last 4 days. Complaint lodged already. Called your customer care multiple times. You just read it for yourself. I won't even. We can't help you. Your people listen to me talk rudely. Guys, their customer representatives talk rudely. And in case you don't know, I would request any kind of code to just listen to their recordings. They literally disconnect the calls of the customers. They literally disconnect the calls of the customers without giving a resolution. You are providing third-class service in terms of quality. When are you going to solve the issues? Now let me just read out this comment for you carefully. See, the connection is down for the last 4 days. Complaint lodged already. Called your customer multiple times. We called over 15 to 20 times. There was some other guy who called 20 times. See, here it is. You can just imagine. Tata Sky and other providers are better than you, who at least listen properly and act quickly. You people are providing third-class service. Unable to watch a single channel for a single second. And hence, guys, this is the end. I mean to say, like, they are the most hopeless company. See, yes, I agree with you. Worst service company with poor quality signal, no support, no help. They are only prompt on recharge options and mint our money. Okay. So when a customer doesn't recharge, they will send you 1,000 automated replies. Hey guys, recharge. And when we are facing an issue and when we raise a complaint, then they don't even look at it. I don't know who is the CEO of this company, but if you as the CEO of this company are looking at all of this, let me tell you, you are the biggest fraud company in the world. Okay, shittiest company, and you should be shut down by now. Let me read another comment for you. It's been nearly 1 month. My problem is not solved. This is how you treat your customers. No proper solution. You are giving worse service where customers just for namesake. Paisa kaat liya, not activating channels, nor giving the refund, nor to reply to mails. Worst service, worst customer care. Horrible service. My account is not working for the past 5 days. Customer care executive says wait for 10 minutes without any solution. Accidentally took this collection. My set-top box is not working. Guys, this is just like, you can understand. I'm frustrated. I'm terribly frustrated. And these guys are just giving automated replies. Have a look at this. Don't buy D2H customer service. It's been 6 days. My D2H is not working. Have complained several times, but engineer is yet to come. Pathetic customer service. Will go for Tata Sky. Hi D2H. Worst ever customer service provider. It's been more than 2 months and still they are not able to resolve my issue. I thought I was the only one who is terribly frustrated, but when I have a look at their Facebook page, this is what is happening. Okay, now guys, this is just one picture. Okay, this is just one picture. Let me show you some other stuff. Let me just show you some other stuff. In fact, you will be you'll be thinking what exactly is happening. See, oh man, this is just one reply that I was giving, and see what this guy has given as a reply. Yes, I also experienced the same. They are a big cheater. I am still getting charged for faulty set-top box which is not operational. Okay. So guys, this is the end of it. I just can't tell you. I'm still wondering why this company has not been shut down by the Indian Consumer Court and Supreme Court. You call it whatever, Supreme Court, High Court, whatever. Guys, they are doing fraud with their customers and they are cheating their customers. Literally, this is the end of it. I just can't tell you anything more. Okay, so let me just take you to. I also want to switch to Tata Sky, as D2H has always same problem. Their service charge is too high. Absolutely shameful service. I'm not getting any reception since over 10 days. Okay, illiterate. Exactly. What I feel, those customer representatives sitting over there, they are Pachvi pass. They have gone like, their 5th standard pass or 10th standard fail. Worst services ever seen. I'm frustrated by the way D2H is handling my issue. From last week of March, my set-top box is out of order. It's extremely disappointing. So what I'm doing is worst service, signal not available. Will you solve my problem? You guys have suspended my account as well. I have registered the complaint also. Pathetic service. Every time getting same problem. If we are not recharged D2H, can you provide free service? Oh, this is the end of it. I have literally commented this 100 times and still my problem isn't resolved. So now let me take you to some other. Let me just take you to some other platform to just show you. Okay man, so here it is. Why is Videocon such a customer unfriendly, irritating and repulsive company? See, after new try registration, besides mandatory free channels, their calling number is worst. Try 100 times, you will get the same recorded message that all their lines are breezy. At last, after 6 days, could contact their customer staff, who was more disappointing. Believe me, she said she was not able to do anything. Guys, in case you don't know, their customer representatives are literally giving these responses. I'm not able to do anything. We can't help you. How shocking, actually. They are the most hopeless company, let me tell you. Don't worry, I spoke to see. Okay, just read this. Videocon D2H scam. Worst service. Don't subscribe. If you are still in research, please drop down. Believe me, if you are better off with local arrogant, at least you have someone to direct your anger towards. कॉल सेंटर, दे हैव द मोस्ट इलिटरेट गाइज. दे, वो 5वीं पास वाले जो बंदे होते हैं ना, वो उनके कस्टमर केयर सर्विस में बैठते हैं. दे आर 5वीं पास एंड 10वीं फेल. Okay, they don't understand the problem. They have the least understanding of how their setup box is configured. However, the operator was repeatedly instead, like, this is the end of it. I'm not going any further. If you want, like, you can just go ahead and see. Just have a look at this. Why is Videocon D2H so dumb? I'm sorry for it, but it is not dumb if you're facing any problems. Guys, they are the biggest fraud company in the world, not only in India. Okay, so I'm just finishing off this video for now.